Hi, I'm Josh, and I'm here to show you Distillery's newest tool, Audience Brief Genius. Located at audiences.distillery.com, Audience Brief Genius is the newest upgrade to Distillery's Audience Explorer tool. Audience Brief Genius allows you to copy and paste your campaign brief into this search bar that you see on your screen and receive custom audience recommendations immediately. For example, let's take this one for eco-conscious vegan food and see what results we get. Click search and scroll down. And here you'll see nutrition researchers, organic food eaters, eco-conscious consumers, along with 129 other recommendations and pages filled full of audiences that are completely tailored to this campaign brief. And to take it one step further, all you have to do if you want to activate the audience is request it right here. Fill in this information, and we'll send you an easy to activate PMP that allows you to have these audiences immediately. Try it out today.